The Kira Home Welton has over 1,090 customer reviews and a 4.7-star rating. Customers frequently mention that the Welton is easy to install, looks great, and is perfect for any space. The Kira Home Welton is perfect to install over bathroom mirrors, above a gallery wall, or in a kitchen over sinks. This sleek light comes in 3 different finishes: brushed nickel, polished nickel, and brushed bronze. Both the polished and the brushed nickel finishes are available as 1 light, 2 light, or 3 lights. We also offer the brushed bronze version as a 2 light or a 3 light. The design of the Welton is sleek and minimalistic. This 3-light vanity is highlighted by its gooseneck body and beautiful brushed bronze funnel shades that add to its industrial look and feel. The open bulb design of the Welton allows for some customization with your choice of bulb. This is compatible with Edison bulbs, vintage round bulbs, or even LED bulbs to make the Welton even brighter. Feel free to set the mood or adjust the level of shine, as the Welton is dimmable when used with the proper bulb and dimmer combination. As always, the Welton light is UL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon market space that say UL listed sockets or not have UL or ETL listings at all. Those companies are trying to cut corners and save a buck. However, at Kira Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.